Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to introduce you binary trees. So it comes under non-linear data structure called as recursive data structures. We already seen some linear data structures like arrays, stack, queue and linked list. So binary trees comes under non-linear data structures. This structure is used to represent data containing a hierarchical relationship between elements. So here you will have data which have some hierarchical relationship. So you will have some order. Okay, first hierarchy, second hierarchy, third hierarchy. That means you will have a parent, then you will have a child, and then you have a grandchild like that. So it goes on with an hierarchical relationship. A tree is a rooted structure. That means you will have a root and then you will have branches. So it look like a tree, but root will be on the top, and then you will have the branches which will be flowing down. A binary tree is a structure in which each node can have at most 2 children, and in which a unique path exists from the root to every other node. So you will have a node, you can have maximum of 2 children for a node, and that sub node you can see, call it as children. Okay, the child node can again extend to another 2 nodes, or that is minimum 1, 0, it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be more than 1. The maximum of 2 child nodes can be used, and all these are connected with a path. Okay, you will have a line which will be connecting all these nodes. So you are going to see in detail. Okay, each node in a binary tree can have 0, 1 or maximum of 2 successors. Okay, so you can have you will have a node without any child node, or 1 child node, or maximum of 2 child nodes. Okay, that's the meaning. So you have 2 successors, left successor and right successor. If you see the that is a binary tree which is given here, the first node you can see, you can call it as a parent node, or you call it as a root. From that you will have a left successor. So you can see left line and right line this side. So left is the set of nodes here, and right is set of nodes here. Okay, for this root, this node, okay, the left is the left successor of the root, and for the root, the right hand side, this part, okay, this is the right successor of the root. Okay, same way for this node you will have left and right. Okay, same way that you will have left and right. So there are some terminal nodes, right, which does not go beyond this. You will have, call it as leaves. Okay, so you will have say root, then you will have branches, then finally you have leaves. So you are going to see some of the terminologies used in these binary trees. So in this video you are going to see only the terminologies used, and based on this you will get some questions to be answered in the board exams. So first terminology, you can see, supposing D is a node with its left successor H. So you can see D is here, which has a left successor H. Then D is said to be the parent. So here H is the node which has a parent D. Okay, and H is the child of D. So H is called as child of parent D. So this is parent node, this is child node. 2 nodes with the same parent are said to be siblings. Say for example, you can say F and G, okay, which has the same parent C, which is called as siblings. So F and G are siblings. Say for example, you can say another example, B is a node which has 2 children, D and E. Both are called as siblings. D and E are called as siblings. Okay, you can say brothers or sisters. Every node except the root has a unique parent called the predecessor of it. So here every node has a parent except the root. Every node in the tree will have a parent. Say for example, H has a parent D, D have a parent B, B have a parent A. So you will have a parent except the root. Other nodes will have a parent. Okay, 1 parent at least. The line drawn from a node to its successor is called as an edge. So from here, from A to B, you got a line. Okay, so this line you call it as edge. B to D got a line which is called as edge. Okay, so each and every 2 nodes is connected. Between that you will draw a line. That line you call it as edge. A sequence of consecutive edges is called a path. So you can see full set of consecutive lines, say A to B, B to D, D to H. You got some lines, right? So all these edges connected to one side sequence, you call it as a path. Okay, So path is A to B, B to D and D to H. This is a path. Okay. A terminal node is called as a leaf, and a path ending to the leaf is called a branch. You can see that you can see some terminal leaves, terminal nodes available, H, I, J, F and G, which does not have nodes below that. So you call it as a terminal node. Now you call it as a leaf node. And the line which leads to that, okay, this line. So D to H, this is a line which leads to the terminal node. You call it as branch. Okay. The number of children of the node is called degree of a tree. A binary tree is a tree of degree 2. Each node has 2 children. So maximum of 2 children is allowed. So for example, for A, you have 2 degree, that is 2 children. And for D, you have H and I 2 children. For E, you have only 1 degree. That means only 1 child is there. So you can call it as degree is 1 for E. Okay. So they will particularly ask one node, and they'll ask you what is the degree of the node. So you have to count number of children and then answer the question. Each node in a binary tree is assigned a level number as root at level 0. So you can see a level number is given for each level node. That is, you can see like generations you have. So first level called as level 0. Okay, and then second level. So B and C comes under second level, that is level 1, and then you can see D, E, F, G. This all comes under next level, that is level 2, and then finally you have H, I, J. This comes under next level, that is level 3. So you have to start from 0. You have to just count. So if they ask you the level of the tree, means you have to start from, take the longest path and then count. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the level. So 3 is the level for this binary tree. The nodes with the same level number belong to the same generation. Say for example, B and C has the same level number. So this B and C consider as the same generation. Then you can see D, E, F, G. This comes under same generation. H, I, J, that comes under same generation. Okay. Depth or height is the maximum number of nodes in the branch of it. It is always one more than the longest level. So already you know how to count the level. Height or depth will also be counted like that, but it will be always one more than the level, because you have to start from 1. Okay, take the longest one, height of the tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So height of the tree is 4. Okay, so take the longest one, that is the maximum longest path, and then count, and then you can answer the question. So you can, they may ask you depth or height. Okay, any one word, one term may be used. So you have to write the answer. Always remember, it will be always one more than the longest level. Now, as we were discussing, they may ask you questions in the board exam. So this is some sample questions given here. Okay, we will be discussing more questions in the next video. So you have to just answer. It's a one word answer. Okay, each carries 1 mark. Okay, so it is very easy to score. Given the following binary tree, answer the following given questions. Okay, root of the tree. So very simple. Root of the tree is A. So you have to write A. So you can write root of the tree is A, or you can write A. That also gives you marks. Parent of node F. So node F is here. The parent of node F is C. So C is the answer. Children of node E. You can see E is here, node E is here, and the children you got only one child, so that is G. Okay, you don't have the second one, so you will have only one. So the children of node E is G. Height of the tree. So you can see left hand side is shorter, go to the right hand side. So you have to count from 1, 2, 3, 4. Height of the tree is 4. So answer for height of the tree is 4. Leaf nodes of the tree. So you have to just check the terminal nodes here. You got D, G, H, I. Okay, so these are the 4 leaf nodes available in the tree. Draw the right subtree of the node C. You can see node C is here. You got left subtree and then right subtree. They are asking you to draw the right subtree. So that means you have to draw this part. Okay, so you will see the answers. So answer 1 is A, answer 2 is C, answer 3 is G, and answer 4 is height is 4, and answer for 5 is D, G, I, H, I, that is leaves, and for answer 6 it is the right subtree. So from subtree of C is F, H and I. So that has to be drawn. So these are some of the sample questions available. Hope you understood this video. You know what is a binary tree, how it look like, and what is the root, what is a branch, all the terminology, what is a leaf, and what is an edge, what is height, what is level, all that. So they may ask you one word questions in board examination. So you should be ready to answer that question, okay, which carries 1 mark. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.